Okay, welcome back to my vlog. And now I'm in Riam Kaladau, so I'm very excited to visit the uh, destination. Okay, and see you. I'll be back to my vlog later. Right now we are crossing a river with slippery rocks. And here, the road conditions are a bit difficult to navigate, so you have to be careful. Here we will soon arrive at the Riamkadau waterfall tourist attraction. Well, here we are. It turned out the waterfall is really beautiful. I highly recommend that my friend visit it. Here we can relax while looking at the waterfall. As you can see, the atmosphere is very cool and serene. The winds help us relax even more. I'm arrived at Riam Kaladau and very recommended for you to visit the destination. Okay.
So beautiful, very beautiful view, and very recommendation for you visit here. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for watching my vlog, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.